Paul to Timothy. Anamwambia aje, don't you let nobody despise you because you are young, but by set an example in word, in conversation, in charity, in faith, in purity. Alafu inaendelea inasema aje, ati attend reading, yani attend kanisa. Kwa sababu Paul anajua we kijana hutaenda kanisa, anakuambia attend. Alafu anasema neglect not your gift. Kwa sababu alafu anasema give yourself wholly, yani yote to the gift, so that the profit may appear to all. Anasema in so doing you shall be saved, and those that hear you shall be saved. Paul, Paul really had the spirit in him. And I've been reading this word mpaka niko zile za I want a Paul in my life. I want to be Timothy, and I want a Paul in my life to tell me such words in a very nice way, and in a very clear and pure. When I read the Bible,